In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Jotform. Whether you're filling out a form for personal use, or you're part of a team that relies on Jotform for easy data collection and organization, knowing how to print your form is a useful skill. Perhaps you want to share a printed form with someone who prefers paper, or maybe you want a physical copy for your records. Whatever your reason, I'll guide you through the process. First, you'll need to start by opening your Jotform in a web browser. With your form open and ready, you'll initiate the print command. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll press Ctrl and P at the same time. If you're on a Mac, you'll use CMD and P. This command, regardless of what operating system you're using, is a universal shortcut that's very handy. It brings up the print dialog window, a familiar interface if you've ever needed to print something from your computer before. In the print dialog, you have a few options to consider. First, you'll need to choose your printer from the list of available devices. If you don't have a physical printer connected, or if you'd like a digital copy instead, you can select the Save as PDF option. Saving as a PDF is not only incredibly convenient for sharing, but it's also a cost-effective and environmentally friendly way to manage paperwork. Before you hit the print button, it's important to take a moment to adjust any print settings as needed. You might want to change the page layout or paper size, or adjust the margins. If you're saving as a PDF, you can typically set passwords or other security features. This step ensures that the document looks professional and meets any specific requirements you have. Once you've adjusted everything to your satisfaction, it's time to click the print button if you're sending it to a printer, or save if you've opted for a PDF. If you've chosen to print, make sure your printer is stocked with paper and ink to avoid any disruptions. It's worth mentioning that this method prints the form exactly as it appears on your screen, even if you haven't submitted it yet. So if you're filling out the form and want to print it at this stage, feel free to go ahead. Printing a form before submission can be particularly useful if you want to review your answers, share a draft, or keep a backup for your own records. And there you have it. Printing a Jotform is that straightforward. This simple process can make your data handling considerably smoother and more adaptable to different needs. Don't hesitate to use this skill to bring more flexibility to your digital forms. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of what Jotform can offer in managing and collecting data with ease.